Welcome to this Expert Moldbase Extension 12 What's New video. Today I would like to show you the new summary tree in the Moldbase definition dialog, which gives you a much better overview about all assembled Moldbase components. The new summary tree contains all assembled plates, guide components, screws and pins, and additional equipment components. The type description, the ordering number, and major dimensions for each component help you to keep track of your current Moldbase design. By switching to the top view of the Moldbase, the summary tree will change its content. The tree shows now an overview about all Moldbase patterns. The visibility state, the major dimensions, and the number of instances are displayed in the tree table. To improve the usability, a new right mouse menu is now available. The right mouse menu can either be opened in the 2D drawing area or by selecting the nodes in the new summary tree. Within this menu, you can add plates above existing plates, or you can add a plate below existing plates. Additionally, guide components can be placed on existing plates. All types of components can be modified. And finally, they can also be removed from the Moldbase definition. With this new feature, the Moldbase definition in Expert Moldbase extension is easier than ever before. The new right mouse menu improves the usability during the definition of components and plates. At the same time, all component information is stored in the new summary tree. Thank you for watching.